Ride with us.
And action. It's T with Arizona Riders Club out here at this Arizona auto auction. I just came across this Mercedes-Benz SL500. I have always wanted one of these. They always look slick. I believe they stopped making them 2016, 2015, something like that. Let me know if I'm wrong. Looks like we got a dead battery, man. So not gonna be able to start this one, but SL500, one of the premier sports cars. Can't get enough of this thing. Too bad it's dead, man. Y'all know what I always say. If it don't start, it'll break your heart. All right, that was stupid. I'll think of something better next time. All right, we got some interior issues, but damn, this thing looks good. Hardtop convertible. Whew. Yeah, hardtop convertible. Check it out. Beautiful looking whip, man. I mean, I'd want to buy this thing just to have a project car. I'm not getting in because it was about 135 degrees in that car with the leather, man. Just burn yourself up. However, I mean, look at how beautiful this thing is. Which one would you guys prefer? Because we have another E350. I think it's an E350. Let's take a look. Nope, sorry, C350. Well, obviously. Well, you never know though. Some of you guys, you may want something a little more economical, right? You don't want the panty dropper. You want the grandma shopper. Panty dropper, grandma shopper. Hey, I'm not gonna judge you. To each his own, right? Whatever your flavor is your savor. You know, that's the one thing that I love about Arizona Riders Club, how inclusive we are. We accept any and everybody, as long as you like to ride, pause, drive, pause, skate. Y'all know what I mean. Take a look at that. Dropper or shopper? Which one would y'all choose? Let's go around back just to give you one more look at the rear end of these things, man. Man, I'm gonna go get the jump box. I'm gonna have to get this thing started. This one isn't bad either. Interior looks a lot better. Body's in shape. Have to get that thing started up though. I'm going with the dropper. Y'all know me. Y'all know it's T. Reppin' AZ. Ride with me. Ride with us.